Are you looking for the best plasma cutters under $500 in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best plasma cutters under $500 that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ZENY DC Inverter Plasma Cutter. This Chinese-made plasma cutter from ZENY is somewhat hit or miss. It's extremely affordable for what you're getting, which is why so many metalworkers are willing to stand behind it. But, users consistently warn about faulty diodes and components inside. There's no warranty, so make sure you buy from a company with a strong return policy and use the plasma cutter frequently at first to make sure you don't have a faulty unit. That said, when this plasma cutter works, there's a lot to like. It can be wired to either a 110-volt or 220-volt outlet to cut metals up to 0.5 inches thick. The current is extremely simple to control thanks to a switch and knob system, and you can monitor your current on the included LCD screen. Moving on at number 4, we have the VIVOHOME Portable DC Inverter Plasma Cutter. The VIVOHOME Plasma Cutter is another rendition of the inverted tool, with a few useful tweaks. To start, it's adaptable. The unit can be wired to either 110-volt or 220-volt power, and has a switch and dial that can be used in concert to dial in your output current. At full power, the unit has a cutting ability of up to half an inch. However, keep in mind that the duty cycle isn't rated and there's no temperature indicator light. So, you'll need to be very careful about not overworking the unit. The cutter comes with almost everything you need to start working, including a welding face mask and goggles for safety. However, there is one necessary component missing: there's no tubing to connect from the air input to your air compressor. At number 3, we have the HeroCut Plasma Cutter. The HeroCut is one of the best small plasma cutters we've come across. It's extremely inexpensive, making it a good choice for metalworkers on a budget and first-time plasma cutter users alike. Better yet, it's extremely portable. This is by far the most lightweight plasma cutter we reviewed. The HeroCut also uses inverter technology inside to maximize your safety. The cutting ability of the HeroCut is somewhat limited, at just 0.3 inches. Some users found that it was significantly weaker, but this was a relatively rare complaint. The advantage to the thin cutting ability is that the cutter only needs to be wired to a standard 110-volt outlet to achieve a 0.3-inch depth. At number 2, we have the Forney Easy Weld 25120P Plasma Cutter. The Easy Weld from Forney is one of the best plasma cutters for home use. Forney thought of just about everything for this plasma cutter in terms of ease of use. It comes with a power source so you can easily wire it into any 120-volt home outlet, as well as a regulator so you can plug it into your air compressor and go. Even better, it includes an 8-foot-long ground clamp, so grounding your plasma cutter is simple. The included cutting torch is designed to be dragged directly across the metal surface. That uses up more consumables per cut, but it also allows you to use the sheet you're actively cutting for balance and precision. Cuts are narrow and it's easy to get them straight. And finally at number 1, we have the Lotos LTP5000D. The Lotos LTP5000D won our editor's choice as the best overall plasma cutter under $500. The 1/2-inch cutting ability is significant given how compact and lightweight the plasma cutter is. Importantly, Lotos' 1/2-inch rating is actually the thickness it can cut cleanly. This cutter is rated to sever metals up to 3/4 of an inch thick. You'll need to have a 220-volt outlet in order to maximize your cutting depth, but the unit includes a power cable, so this is relatively easy. There's also very little assembly required since the cutter comes with everything you need to connect to your air compressor's regulator. One of the unique aspects of this plasma cutter is that it uses a non-touch pilot RC tip. Since you don't have to touch the tip to the metal, your electrode and nozzle last far longer than with other cutters. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.